asobwekiranu toko ya chaka korwa se county ya Kisii magega abanyanyimbo bege kosi ya GSU go saga na gosegoso asechia bischo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati aburit kuregoro alitkoria rero asebi karo bye county assembly ya Kisii nigo engane yo yabage koreta liberera ase aba MCA gati aba MCA bakorawa no mokonyi bo monogeria se county assembly Jacob Bagaka bakogikeria engane yo nakoroko bore ochaso mwaziri bo borendi we mekidure kindiki kwenekia bunankorigereriare na gutuka engane yo asobwe mekima aba MCA bono nyana bonigo barrokana bakomochia omochumbe o South Mugirango Sylvanus Osoro kurenda mange tigatweguna twarganire no muri kyoito Mildred Momanyi.
Governor has no security from the national government, and when we have the GSU officers coming to the governor's residence without any proper explanation, honestly, Mr. Speaker, as leaders, we have to be concerned.
Ase egikaro gebunge ye county ya Kisii ritkolia lero nigo engana yokoba kwaba obisaba GSU ase chabisi chomugabana bwe county ya Kisii asensemu ye stadium abulitkoligoro yale ntaliberera litindi ase bono ensemo yaba MCA bakoragwa no deputy speaker ase bagikeria egekolekyo na kugania omwaziri bubulindi boime kiture kindiki guchya kugayana engane yo iryokorwa amachibu nasiki omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Simba Arati agochandwa n'abanyanyimbo asebo igoba mumocha omobunge o South Mugirango Sylvanus Osoro.
This was an act of impunity which goes contrary to the Constitution of Kenya 2010. It begs the question, why would the government send truckloads of GSU officers from Nairobi to harass the governor and his officers instead of dispatching them to banditry prone areas like Northeastern and Baringo? We hereby ask the Interior CS, Professor Kindiki, to come out clear and explain to Kenyans why they are victimizing Governor Simba Arati because of his political inclinations. At the same time, we condemn South Mugirango MP, Honorable Sylvanus Osoro, for chest thumping on the illegal police operations in Kisii County. As a member of Parliament from Kisii, Osoro should concentrate on his oversight role on the national government and especially on the rising cost of living which is affecting all Kenyans as of today.
Tunataka kujua ni nani huyu alitoa maombi kwenda kwa serikali ya kwamba Kisii iko hadharini ili waweze kuleta hao askari wafanya fujo. Tafadhali mimi ningehimiza Raymond Omoro ni kama amelalia kazi. Asiwache maafisa wake wakuja wakatumike kizembe. Kwa sababu hapa Kisii tuna amani.
Nigo bagania omugavana kwaegwa chinga kichi nyororo eliogokora egasiae ase obwikiranu nase bagania onde obwate omochando ne governor korenta omochando yo mutwebwe county assembly ya Kisii.
Totuara masikani ase county government ekeramo kolegas ekera tobati chiobisiga iga county commander no bali mukavana no hale county commissioner no hale bagwanda kaba uniform dinga na ki emechando ne rebosongo bamanye kodeta basikali ku national government bamanye gochoro kero muko tumate GSU iga violence jali ngibusungu onye ne bibabo GSU baje kuri bibabo sisi tubete kuri criminals busongo ega siasa dinerelie kero muko leta GSU iga onye mutagete ko teberelie mugavana oito ngata kolegas egere mmaja ko bintu bimoja gukora mukonyara onde mwenzi ugwatule no mugavana obusongo tigalete impeachment motion ya assembly toye tiororo tobyo kanyororo inereyo itubona ko busimu mugavana ororo tani national government.
Nase ensemo yabo aba MCA abachore nigo bagikeria egekolekyo keigoro asikeria bagoteba no kubekera abonchoreria abake anene mono abanyina abuoba.
As women, we feel so bad because Kenya Kwanza government, their manifesto was to help to empower people from grassroots to upper. And now we are fearing over Mama Mboga. Like yesterday, most of our women were unable to carry their own business. So as women, we are here calling our leaders, especially our MCAs in Kisii County, to fear God so that we can serve this county.
Kulipotelea egetasini kia Ndizi TV, erietariane Mildred Momanyi.
Mia mono omuriketo Mildred Momanyi se oroboti ururikirana tugotikana nayo ni